Pageant chika muna tayo mga besh.
Kumusta kayong lahat? Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin si Miss Universe Philippines Batangas, Kathleen Dale Casenas. Kasi naguguluhan ako sa kanyang beauty kung totoo ba ito o hindi. But it's only on my opinion. But let's talk about her, especially in her nose. Because when I observed her photos at the Miss Universe Philippines Instagram app, she looks so beautiful. That's why I'm interested in her. I browsed her all photos in her Instagram. And what I think of is that her nose is really natural, or is it enhanced? Because in her older photo, this is her look. So watch it, my friends. This is her photo. And there's a huge difference in her photo that she is posting now and previously a year ago. She looks so stunning. She has a long nose. Her face looks different. So what do you think, my friends? Wala namang masama kung magpaparitoke o magpapa-enhance ng ilong ang isang kandidata. But for us, for me as a pageant fan, I'm an avid pageant fan. I used to follow the candidates, observe them. I'd prefer a candidate that is of her original beauty, even though she has a short nose. But I love those candidates who is embracing her uniqueness and who is really proud to say that I am a Filipino. I don't need artificial enhancements, rhinoplasty on my face, or plastic surgery. I'm contented and proud of it. And makeup adds a touch on our face. It's pretty normal to use makeup because as a woman, it enhances us and make us more beautiful. But for her, at the first place, I am so happy to see her beauty. But as I scroll down in her photos in her Instagram, I've noticed that this is her real photo. That original photo of her, the old photo of her, it's more beautiful than as of now. But this is my opinion only. And what do you think, my friends? Because there's a huge changes in her face. But I know it helped her, and it's her decision to undergo rhinoplasty or any enhancements in her face. But for now, she looked pretty. But as a pageant fan, I want the more natural candidate. So thank you for watching and listening in my short video. God bless, and those are my opinion about her. God bless to you, Miss Universe Philippines Batangas, and good luck to your journey.